I'm on top of the world, baby. What are you talking about? Bruh. Charlie, you must get money. I'm the one that says sometimes you need to do on looking, but today I know fit.
Hey, content life.
Enough. Guys, I just woke up and I do not like the braids. I don't like the braids. You guys remember the unfortunate experience that I had with my previous braids? So I booked a new appointment with AJ's Hair and Beauty. It's at Medina, and that's where I'm heading to right now.
Nobody is even awake.
These braids took a while. It took me 5 to 6 hours to get them done. I sat down for a very long time. I had 3 people working on my hair, so it didn't take so long. And I was pretty excited about how the braids turned out, guys. You should totally check out AJ's Hair and Beauty for your braids. She also does amazing hairstyles too as well. Check the description box below. Go get your braids done with them and thank me later. I got a text from May the night before. She wanted us to go create content at this cute place that she had found. And obviously, my answer was yes. Guys, I'm so fucking late, but we are going to make it, okay? Let's go. Hi guys, meet Salome. She's also a content creator like myself. We usually link up now and then to make videos together. And I'm so glad she invited me to this place because guys, I love the atmosphere. It's everything. Charlie, you must get money. Finally here. Bruh. We haven't been to school. Which fly you guys? Oh, you're not too far. Okay. So here's the outfit. Here's a quick outfit check. I have this crisscross top. I also did some minimal makeup because as usual I don't know how to do makeup, so I just did some lashes and some gloss, styled my braids, and we are off to go and shoot.
Glow.
Her.
This girl is glowing.
Please, I don't know.
When the first time I went to be played on the balcony.
Alright guys, you know I take my photos by myself and I do take them outside, but then this is a place that I wasn't sure how things worked around.
I don't want to be taking it somewhere, but Rebecca said, yeah,
Oh, the room cafe.
oh, whose side? I know.
Who's the young girl?
Can I set up here?
Yeah, I think everybody is looking at you. I'm very obvious, but I'm set you up. I'm set you up.
No, like I'm so shy.
I don't
want to waste your time. Like you're also dressing up me. Guys, me is so nice. See, she's setting up my tripod for me. I'm so shy, bro. Like, I know no one is watching, but see, I'm the one that says sometimes you need to do on looking, but today I don't fit.
She's shy, oh.
Today I feel it's not. Please, no Bondi will happen here.
No Bondi, never. Sanko one day my final move, right?
Okay.
No, I'm not going to take photos.
If you said that, then.
So I set up my tripod right here. I'm going to be taking photos with my phone. This is how the photos turned out. I love how they came out. I edited them using my presets, and also if you guys want to learn how to edit photos, you can check out these videos up. I'm going to be linking them in the top right corner, or you can sign up for my editing course so that you can upgrade your editing skills. May also took some photos of me as well so that we can move faster.
We are done with our first shoot. We are going to do the second one.
I'm tired. I'm not.
It's not easy.
I'm not tired. 90s baby.
It's the drip for me. Night time, but they are still going to do what we need to do.
Yes.
It's a children's play area for the kids. It's so cute. Oh. Guys, sometimes you need some friends to introduce you to some things, because how would I have come here? I'm on top of the world, baby. What are you talking about? saying something? I'm too high. I cannot hear you. Enough. Guys, finally done. Be here tomorrow. Come and continue. I can show you too much.
This guy's abusing
All I
us.
know is that we are going to continue tomorrow. Was I even looking at the camera? Yeah. So tomorrow we move. I can even exhale, nigga.
I got there the next day around 7 and I had to wait for a while for me to come and get me because it's a private residence and you can't go in there without someone inviting you. I couldn't take a BTS of the day 2 shots, but then this is how they turned out. I really love how these ones turned out. There was a lot of greenery, which I don't usually go for, but then I found a way around it.
We have elevator memories.
I'm finally home now, guys. It's been a long day. I'm drained, I'm tired. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you enjoyed it, kindly like, subscribe, and comment what you want to see next. I love sharing whatever I do with regards to content creation with you guys. So if you like it, kindly leave me a like and a comment. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.